average of discrete values. First of all, what do we mean by discrete? Suppose in a class there are 5 students and their marks are 20, 15, 30, 40 and 5. These are the marks. So these are discrete values. These are what? Discrete values, and these are the values for all 5 students. Now if I ask average marks, average marks would be sum of all divided by the total number of samples. Samples are 5. So these are what? Average marks. This is the way we find average for discrete values, and this we have already done in our junior classes. Now, average of continuous function. What do we mean by continuous function? Let's say I say that y depends on x. Y is a function of x. Like it could be any equation. Let's say y equal to 2x. Y depends on x. So for every value of x, y will have some value. So for a given range of x, let's say I say x 1 to 3. For x 1 to 3, I want to find average value of y. I want to find average value of y. Now how to find average of continuous function? This is basically mathematical. We will say that average value of y will be, this is mathematical way of writing the expression. And we'll put the limits. We will put what? Limits. Limits in the range for which we have to find the average value. In the range for which we have to find average value. For example, I take this as the function y equal to 2x, and I want to find y equal to 2x, y depends on x. I want to find average value of y for x 1 to 3. That means in range x 1 to 3, I want to find average value of y. So fx will be 2x dx integration limits 1 to 3. So what do I get? I get 2 x square by 2 now 2 will get cancelled. 3 square will be 9 minus 1 square 3 minus 1. So the average value of y for this particular range of x is 4. One more example. Y equal to 3x square. This is y depends on x. This is a continuous function. Now average of y for x minus 1 to 2. I want to find the average value of y for the range x minus 1 to 2. So again this will be x cube minus 1 to 2 x minus 1 to 2. So first I'll put 2 cube will be 8 so I get 8, this will be plus 1, and this will be 3. So the average value of y is 3. One more example I'll take. Average value of y for x minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2 to plus 2. So I'll write 4x dx to x square upon x. So 2 square will be 4 minus of 2 square will also be 4. So the average value of y is 0. Average value of y is coming out 0 in this particular range of x. This is how we find average value of a continuous function. One more example. I say y is sine theta. Average value of y for the range theta 0 to 2 pi angle, 0 to 2 pi. So I'll say it is sine theta d theta, because y is a function of theta. Minus cos theta, theta 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1. So the average value is coming out 0. Average value of a sine signal for complete cycle. Now let's see this from the graph. The graph of sine would be like this. This is 0 angle, this is pi, and this is 2 pi. If we carefully see that from theta 0 to 2 pi, if y has this positive value, it has the same negative value also. If at this theta y is this much, at this theta y is equal but negative, equal and negative. That is the reason that for complete cycle of sine wave, the average value is what? 0. But for complete cycle of sine or complete cycle of cos, the average value will be 0. Let's say for, I say y equal to cos theta. If I draw the graph, zero, pi by 2, and the final angle is 2 pi, and this is pi. No, this is pi. This is the complete cycle, pi by 2. This is pi. Now, if I want to find average value for complete cycle, so this positive area, this total positive area is equal to this total negative area. So that is the reason that for complete cycle of this signal, the average value of y is coming out 0. The average value of y is coming out 0.